Introducing the Knox Gear 39G wearable Bluetooth speaker, a game changer in portable audio. This sleek, waterproof speaker clips on magnetically, making it easy to attach to your gear. With up to 15 hours of battery life, it ensures your favorite tunes last throughout the day. Enjoy high-quality sound anywhere, whether you're hiking, biking, or just on the move. The Knox Gear 39G combines convenience and durability, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures.
Introducing the 10-in-1 Keyboard Cleaning Kit, the ultimate multifunction tool for keeping all your electronic devices spotless. This all-in-one kit includes specialized brushes and tools designed to clean everything from keyboards and laptops to iPads, iPhones, earbuds, and camera monitors. With patented design features, it makes maintaining your devices easier and more effective. Keep your electronics looking and functioning like new with this versatile cleaning kit.
Check out the magnetic levitating Bluetooth speaker. This innovative gadget features a UFO design with LED lights and 360-degree rotation. It's not just a speaker, it's a stunning piece of tech for your home or office decor. Perfect as a creative gift, it combines cool technology with wireless convenience for a truly unique experience. Discover the TileMate Essentials 4-pack, featuring 2 tile mates, 1 tile slim, and 1 tile sticker. These Bluetooth trackers make it simple to locate your keys, wallet, remotes, and more. Find everything effortlessly. Visit the Tile store today. Experience the magnetic levitation Bluetooth speaker. It plays music while floating in the air. With 5 watts of powerful sound and Bluetooth 5.1, it's a standout tech gadget. Perfect as a unique gift and ideal for home or office decor.